So dear students, in our previous classes we have already done the divisibility rule of 2 and 3. Okay, so today we are going to do the divisibility rule of 4. Now remember, divisibility test of 2, 4 and 8 are little similar. Now let me tell you what is the similarity. When you have completed the divisibility test of 2, you have only checked last one digit. If you must be knowing, I have told you also that if you see the last digit in a number is 24680, or you can call it, if it is divisible by 2, that number is divisible by 2 completely. This is the rule which we have already studied. Now remember, when we study the divisibility rule of 4, we check last 2 digits. Okay? The number formed by last 2 digit, if it is divisible by 4, then remember the number is completely divisible by 4. I will explain it to you properly. Now the same thing, if you go on divisibility rule of 8, it is just inspired by this again. You are knowing for 2 last 1 digit, for 4 last 2 digit. What do you think? For divisibility test of 8, what change will be there? Can you guess? Can you guess in the chat box? What do you think? For 2, last 1 digit you have to check. For 4, last 2 digit you have to check. Now, can you tell me for 8, how many digit? Absolutely correct. Last 3 digits. Very correct, beta. Absolutely right. So remember, when you do divisibility test of 4, we underline the last 2 digit. ठीक है, हम क्या करते हैं बेटा, अंडरलाइन कर लेते हैं लास्ट 2 डिजिट को, और उसके बाद we check that the number which is written in last 2 digit, that number is divisible by 4 or not. ठीक है, I am just giving you an example. Look at here. See this. Let all of you write down this. The number formed by last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. This is the divisibility rule of 4. Okay, I'm writing the example over here. 6, 4, 3, 2, 4. Now this is a number. Now you can see I am telling the last 2 digits. So last 2 digits are, beta, let us first underline last 2 digits. Now you can see here the last 2 digit is 24 over here. 24 is a number. Let us check whether it comes in table of 4 or not. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, and 4 six are 24. Very correct. It means 4 6 are 24. It means you are knowing, yes, this number will be divisible by 4. Done. Okay, write it down, this one, in your fair copy. Now I am writing one more number. Please help me out that this number will be divisible by 4 or not. I am writing over here. 56808. The number which is written in the bracket. Please help me out that this number will be divisible by 4 or not. Yes. Yes, students, you are totally right. Why you are right? Because if I underline the last two digit of this number, I will get 08. और 08 का 08 is nothing but only 8 है ना. 08 का मतलब 8 ही होता है बेटा. And if it is only 8, the table of 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. It means yes, it will come in table of 4. That means these both the numbers are divisible by 4. You don't need to divide and check. You just simply tell that yes ma'am, it is divisible by 4. So this is divisibility rule of 4. Now there is another condition beta for 4. ठीक है, एक और रूल होता है. This is it is not a rule, it is a trick. ये एक छोटी सी ट्रिक होती है. Remember, ऐसा कोई भी नंबर बेटा, ऐसा कोई भी नंबर which is ending by two zeros. Let me tell you here. The number ending by pair of zeros. Okay, yeah, you can write it down. Two zeros. The number ending by two zeros. For example, let me write it down. The example over here. Example can be 800. Example can be 1600. Example can be 248600. Example can be 568500. These and also 100. These all the numbers are divisible by 4. Now let me tell you why they are divisible by 4. Always remember beta, these all numbers are in the form of hundreds. This is 800s, this is 1600s, this is 200, 2486 hundreds, this is 5685 hundreds, this is 100 only. So remember, 100 is a number which is already divisible by 4. 100 जो होता है वो 4 से divide हो जाता है. That is why these all numbers are divisible by 4. This is a trick for divisibility rule of 4. Now this is done. Recording, yes. Students, you are knowing when we have done it, the divisibility test of 4, I told you that the number ending should be two zeros. Can you tell me for 8, what do you think? How many zeros should be in the end? At the end? Absolutely right. Very correct. The number ending by three zeros. Absolutely right. The number ending with three zeros will be divisible by 8 completely. The first condition. For example, 1000, 8000, 512,000, or you can have many more numbers. I have just given you simple 3 examples. And the second condition for divisibility test of 8 is the number formed by last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. This is another condition. These are two things. Okay? Example, I will explain it to you just in 1 minute. Let first you complete it, then I will explain it to you, the example. Now see the example. Now see the example of this particular question. Suppose our example is 6438512. Now you can see this number is so long. ठीक है, अगर आप डिवाइड करोगे तो बड़ा लंबा टाइम लगेगा. ठीक है, So we will use only the test जो कि हमने just अभी पढ़ा है बेटा. हाँ, so we will apply the test over here. The test says that we have to take last 3 digits. So we will underline the last 3 digit of this particular number. और जैसे ही हम इसको अंडरलाइन करेंगे बेटा हमें नंबर मिलेगा 512. We will keep it, we will write down this number separately. This is 512. Now remember 2 digit का नंबर होता बेटा तो हमको टेबल डायरेक्टली आ जाती, but 512 is a 3 digit number. So let us divide this number by 8 somewhere. ठीक है, I am dividing this number by 8. Now you are knowing it will give you 8 6 48. It will give you 3 after solving, and this will be 2, and you are knowing 8 4s are 32. Now complete it. You are not getting any remainder from here. ठीक है, you are not getting any remainder from this number. ठीक है, it means the last 3 digit number which we have taken and the number which is formed by those 3 digit number, it is completely divisible by 8. It means you will write it down in the answer. Yes, 6 4 3 8 5 1 2 is divisible by 8 completely. Finished. Now we are doing the divisibility test of 6. Now always remember beta, the test of 6 is very simple. ठीक है, because 6 is always written 6 is equal to 3 into 2. ठीक है, 6 का मतलब होता है 3 2 6 मतलब 3 into 2. And remember, if any number is written in this form, which is both the numbers are co-prime numbers, ठीक है, या 3 एक अलग नंबर है 2 एक अलग नंबर है, दोनों के दोनों जो है एक दूसरे के टेबल में नहीं आते. So 3 and 2, so 6 is equal to 3 into 2. So remember, any number, sorry, we'll write it down this. If number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. Now always remember, for divisibility test of 6, it is important you have to check the test of divisibility of 2 and 3. अगर कोई भी ऐसा नंबर है बेटा जो 2 से भी डिवाइड हो सकता है और 3 से भी डिवाइड हो सकता है, तो बिना चेक किए आप लिख दो कि यस मैम इट विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 6 आल्सो. ठीक है, रिमेंबर कोई भी ऐसा नंबर जो 2 से डिविजिबल है और 3 से भी डिविजिबल है, सो बेटा वो नंबर 6 से जरूर डिविजिबल होगा. लेट अस चेक वन एग्जांपल एंड यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट प्रॉपर्ली. Okay, now see the example which I have written on the board. I have written one example on the board. If you see this example, let us check this test for 2. सबसे पहले इसको चेक करते हैं 2 के लिए, ठीक है, उसके बाद हम चेक करेंगे 3 के लिए. So if we are checking the test of 2 over here, you can see the last digit. The last digit is 4. It means it is an even number. So this is, yes, it is divisible by 2. तो सबसे पहले आपने चेक कर लिया कि यस मैम दिस नंबर विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 2, सो हमने यहाँ पे लिख दिया यस। नाउ कमिंग टू द डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट ऑफ 3। नाउ 3 के लिए क्या करते हैं बेटा, 3 के लिए हम ऐड करते हैं ऑल द डिजिट्स। नाउ लेट अस सी, 3 3 6, 6 2 8, 8 and 4 12, 12 and 2 14, and 14 and 4 18. It means 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. It is giving me 18. And you are knowing that in table of 3, 18 comes. 3 6 are 18. And 3 6 are 18. So it means this number which we have written it here, this number is proving that it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. 2 से भी divisible हो रहा है, 3 से भी divisible हो रहा है. It means yes. At the end you will write it down in the answer. Yes, 3 3 2 4 2 4 is divisible by 6. Finished, beta. We have completed this. ठीक है, this is done.